Hey Insta enthusiasts! Welcome back to AnHome Channel, where we help you navigate the social seas. Today, we're sailing into silent waters and showing you how to mute someone on Instagram. Whether it's an overzealous poster or just a break from the digital noise, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram. Navigate to the profile, open your Instagram app and head over to the profile of the chatterbox you want to mute. Step 2. Mute from the profile, tap the following button near their profile name. From the pop-up menu, select Mute. Step 3. Choose what to mute. Here's where you can tailor the silence. Choose to mute their posts, stories, or both by toggling the switches. Step 4. Mute from the feed. Stumbled upon a post in your feed you'd rather skip? Tap the 3 dots in the corner and select Mute. You can mute just the posts or both posts and stories. Step 5. Mute from the stories bar. If a story is too much, long press their profile picture in the stories bar. Hit mute and say goodbye to the barrage, and you've mastered the art of muting on Instagram. Remember, muting is a secret between you and your feed, they'll never know. If you enjoyed this guide, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insider Insta tips.